Ever dealt with products scattered across channels, inconsistent details, and updates that take forever? Let's talk about Magento PIM, why you need it, and how it can elevate your store to the next level. Magento PIM integration centralizes your product data. It ensures consistent and accurate information across all sales channels, reducing manual updates and errors. With features like bulk editing, automated workflows, and real-time synchronization, you can simplify product launches and improve time to market. Plus, it enhances customer experience by delivering precise product details, fostering trust and loyalty. Whether you manage thousands of SKUs or expand to new markets, Magento PIM integration scales with your business, making multi-channel consistency effortless. PIM, or Product Information Management, is your product data's command center. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, endless manual updates, and different versions of the exact product details across multiple sales channels, PIM keeps everything in sync. Whether you run a B2B or B2C store, PIM connects with Magento, your CRM, and your ERP, so everything stays updated and accurate. Your products look more professional, your customers get the right information, and you don't have to micromanage every update. Better product data means fewer returns, higher conversions, and a smoother customer experience. If this video helped, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Magento insights.